In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in Zoho Creator. If you're new to Zoho Creator, or just need a refresher on how to efficiently manage and create insightful reports, you've come to the right place. Dive in with me as we look at how you can turn your data into meaningful information with just a few clicks. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the main dashboard of Zoho Creator. Here, you will notice a variety of tabs such as Applications, Microservices, Environments, Mobile, Portal, Users Organization, Governance, and more. This dashboard is your central hub to manage all aspects of your applications and data. To create reports, we'll primarily focus on the Applications tab. Click on it to proceed. Once you're in the Applications section, you should be able to see a list of all your applications. Select the application for which you'd like to create a report. This will open up the application dashboard where you manage the app's forms, workflows, and reports. To begin creating a report, look for the Reports tab within your selected application. This tab is your gateway to all reporting-related activities. Upon clicking the Reports tab, you'll see an option to add a new report. Click on this option to get started. It's here that Zoho Creator offers you the flexibility to choose the type of report you want to generate. You can select from a variety of report types such as list, calendar, grid, or pivot tables, depending on how you want your data to be represented. Each type serves a different purpose, so choose the one that best fits your needs. If you're unsure, start with the list view as it's the most straightforward and user-friendly option. After selecting the type of report, the next step is to configure the data filters. This is where you decide which data fields you want to include in your report. A well-filtered report offers a more focused view of your data and provides the clarity you need for decision-making. Take your time to carefully choose these fields based on the insights you want to gain. Next, it's all about customization. Zoho Creator allows you to tailor your reports to perfectly match your requirements. You can rename fields, set up grouping to organize data better, and even define criteria to ensure that the report highlights the most relevant data. Spend some time here to refine your report layout, as this will dictate how easily you can analyze your results. Finally, once you have configured your report to your satisfaction, you are ready to save it. Give it a meaningful title that helps you quickly recognize the purpose of the report in the future. Saving your report ensures that you can easily revisit and update it as needed, without starting from scratch each time. And there you have it. You've successfully created a report in Zoho Creator. Whether for daily operations or strategic decision-making, a well-constructed report can provide valuable insights into your data. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Keep exploring and harnessing the power of Zoho Creator for all your reporting needs.